Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to our maths class. In the last class, we were discussed face value and place value of 3-digit number. All of you remember, face value of a digit is the same as the digit itself. And place value of a digit in a number is decided by its position. Place value is the product of the face value and the place value of the digit. Okay children, today we are going to discuss expanded and a short form of numbers. So all of you take your textbook and open page number 91. Here a number written as the sum of the place values of its digits is said to be in expanded form. Here you can see the expanded form of a number. Here 3 kids are playing. Look at the kids playing the bursting balloon game. Yes, his name is Andy. Andy has burst 421 balloons in all. Here the digit 1 is in 1's column and digit 2 is in 10's column and digit 4 is in the hundreds column. Hence, the place value of digit 4 is 4 hundreds, which is equal to 4 into 100, 400. Then, place value of digit 2 is 2 tens, which is equal to 2 into 10 equal to 20. And the place value of digit 1 is equal to 1 into 1 equal to 1. Let us write this number as the sum of the place value of its digits. Thus, we get 400 plus 20 plus 1. Which is the expanded form of the number 421. When the number is in the expanded form, we can write it in the standard form by placing the digit in the respective columns of the place value chart. Here 400 plus 20 plus 1 is the expanded form. 421 as the standard form. Okay children, 400 plus 20 plus 1 is the expanded form and 421 is the standard form. Okay, 421 as the standard form. Now look at these 2 kids playing the balloon bursting game. One is Amy and one is Annie. Here, Annie has burst 125 balloons in all. Okay, Annie has burst 125 balloons in all. 125 has 100s, 2 tens and 5 ones. The place value of 100 plus the place value of 100 is 100. Then the place value of 2 tens equal to 20 and the place value of 5 ones equal to 5. We write this number as 100 plus 20 plus 5 is equal to 125. Here 100 plus 20 plus 5 is called expanded form. Here 100 plus 20 plus 5 is called expanded form and 125 is called standard form. Okay. Then next one is Amy. Amy has burst 359 balloons in all. Here 359 has 3 hundreds, 5 tens and 9 ones. We can write 300 plus 50 plus 9 is equal to 359. Here 300 plus 50 plus 9 is the expanded form. Okay, then 359 is the standard form. Okay children. Then all of you take your textbook and open page number 91. Here you can see expanded form of numbers. A number written as the sum of the place values of its digits is said to be in expanded form. Okay, all of you underline a number which written as the sum of the place values of its digits is said to be in expanded form. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മളൊരു നമ്പർ എഴുതുമ്പോൾ ആ നമ്പർ എന്തായിരിക്കുക, പ്ലേസ് വാല്യൂസ് തമ്മിൽ ഓരോ ഡിജിറ്റിൻ്റെയും പ്ലേസ് വാല്യൂ അത് തമ്മിൽ നമ്മൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നതാണ് അതിൻ്റെ എക്സ്പാൻഡഡ് ഫോം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ലെറ്റ്സ് അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്. Numbers can be split and written for easy understanding. Here you can see number 654. 654. Here the number 6 is at the place of hundreds. Okay, 6 is at the place of hundreds and 5 is at the place of tens and 4 is at the place of ones. Okay children, yes, here 6 is at the place of hundreds. 6 hundreds plus 5 tens. Okay, 5 is at the place of tens. So 5 tens plus 4 ones. 4 ones. That is equal to 600s equal to 600. Okay, 600s equal to 600 plus 5 tens equal to 50. Okay, here we can write 600s 6 into 100 is equal to 600 and 5 tens means 5 into 10 that is equal to 50 and 4 ones that is equal to 4 into 1 equal to 4. Okay, this is the expanded form of a number. This is the expanded form of a number, that is 600 plus 50 plus 4 that is equal to 654. This is the expanded form. Okay, this is the expanded form and this is the standard form. This is the standard form. Okay, a number that is written as the sum of the place values of its digits is said to be expanded form. Let's practice. Write the number in expanded form. Here you can see one example. The number is 137. Here the number is 137. Here the number 7 is at the place of ones. Okay, the number 7 is at the place of ones and number 3 is at the place of tens. Number 3 is at the place of tens and number 1 is at the place of hundreds. Okay, so 1 is at the place of hundreds plus 3 is at the place of tens plus 7 is at the place of ones. So we get that is equal to 100s. 100 that is 1 into 100. Okay, 100. Then 3 tens equal to 30. 3 into 10, that is equal to 30. And 7 ones equal to 7. 7 into 1 is equal to 7. So this is the expanded form of a number. 100 plus 30 plus 7 is the expanded form of a 3-digit number. Yes, the next number is 352. ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന നമ്പർ ഏതാണ്? 352. Yes, all of you listen carefully. Here number 2 is at the place of ones. Onesന്റെ പ്ലേസിലാണ് നമുക്കിവിടെ 2 എന്ന നമ്പർ കിട്ടിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. Then the number 5 is at the place of tens. 5 എവിടെയാണ്? ടെൻസിന്റെ പ്ലേസിലാണ് നമുക്ക് 5 തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. Okay, then number 3 is at the place of hundreds. 3 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഹൺഡ്രഡ്സിന്റെ പ്ലേസിലാണ് ഉള്ളത്. So here ഹൺഡ്രഡ്സിന്റെ പ്ലേസിൽ നിൽക്കുന്നത് ഏതാണ്? 3 ആണ്. So we can write 3 hundreds. Then ടെൻസിന്റെ പ്ലേസിൽ ഏതാണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്? Yes, digit 5. So all of you write 5 tens. Then at the place of ones we get 2. So all of you write 2. Here 3 hundreds. 3 hundreds എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? 300 ഇവിടെ എഴുതാം. 3 into 100 is equal to 300. Then 5 tens means 5ന്റെ അപ്പുറത്ത് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക? ഒരു 0 ചേർത്താൽ നമുക്ക് 50 കിട്ടും. Okay, 5 tens. 5 tens means 50. Then 2 ones. 2 ones എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ 2. Okay, 2 ones equal to 2. This is the expanded form of a 3-digit number. ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് ഒരു 3-digit നമ്പറിന്റെ എക്സ്പാൻഡഡ് ഫോം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. നമുക്കറിയാം ഇവിടെ 3 തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് ഹൺഡ്രഡ്സിന്റെ പ്ലേസിലാണ്. സോ വി ക്യാൻ റൈറ്റ് 300 പ്ലസ് 5 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ടെൻസിന്റെ പ്ലേസിലാണ്. 5 tens means 50. Then 2 ones equal to 2. So this is the expanded form of a number. The next number is 467. 467. So at the place of ones we get 7. Okay, onesന്റെ പ്ലേസിൽ തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് 7. Then at the place of tens we get 6. 6 ആണ് ടെൻസിന്റെ പ്ലേസിൽ തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. Then at the place of hundreds we get 4. ഹൺഡ്രഡ്സിന്റെ പ്ലേസിൽ ഏതാണ്? 4 ആണ് നമുക്ക് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. So here we can write 4 hundreds. At the place of hundreds we get 4. So all of you write 4 hundreds plus, yes, 6 tens. At the place of tens we get 6. So all of you write 6 inside the box. Then at the place of ones we get 7. Okay, 7 ones. So that means 4 hundreds. 4 hundreds. So that is 400. All of you write 400. Then 6 tens. 6 tens means 60. Okay, 6 tens means 60. Then 7 ones means 7. Okay, 7 ones means 7. So the expanded form of a number is 400 plus 60 plus 7, that is equal to 467. Okay, then the next one is number 832. 832. Here 2 is at the place of ones. 2 is at the place of ones. And 3 is at the place of tens. Okay, 3 is at the place of tens. And 8 is at the place of hundreds. Okay, here 2 is at the place of ones. 3 is at the place of tens. and 8 is at the place of hundreds. So we can write 8 hundreds. Okay, here at the place of hundreds we get 8. Then at the place of tens we get 3. So all of you write 3. Then at the place of ones we get 2. Okay, yes. So 8 hundreds, that means 800. Okay, 8 hundreds means 800. Then 3 tens means, yes, 30. Okay, 3 tens means 30. Then 2 ones means 2. So the expanded form of 832 is 800 plus 30 plus 2. Okay. Then the next number is 754. All of you try to read 754. Here at the place of ones we get 4. Then at the place of tens we get 5. At the place of hundreds we get 7. Okay, so we can write 7 hundreds. At the place of hundreds we get 7. So all of you write 7 hundreds. Plus at the place of tens we get 5. So all of you write 5 tens. Then at the place of ones we get 4. 4 ones. So 7 hundreds means 700. Okay, 7 hundreds means 700 plus 5 tens means 50. Okay, very good. 5 tens means 50 plus then 4 ones means 4. So the expanded form of a 754 is 700 plus 50 plus 4. Okay. Take next page. Question number 6, 7 and 8 are homework for you. Okay. Yes, this is for your homework. Next one is short form of numbers. Short form of numbers. The numbers written in standard form is said to be in short form. The number written in standard form is said to be in a short form. So all of you underline the sentence. The number which is written in a standard form is said to be in short form. Okay, here you can see one example. 400 plus 20 plus 3, that is equal to 423. This is a small correction. So all of you write 423. Okay, 423. Here we can see at the place of hundreds we get 4, and at the place of tens we get 2, and at the place of tens we get 3. So the number is 423. Here 400 plus 20 plus 3 is the expanded form of a 3-digit number. Okay, this is the expanded form of a 3-digit number, and this shows the short form or standard form of a number. This means the short form or standard form of a number. This is the standard form of a number. Okay, this is the expanded form. And this one is the short form or a standard form of a 3-digit number. Here you can see one example. Write the number in short form. The first one is 600 plus 10 plus 2. That means at the place of hundreds we get 6, and at the place of tens we get 1, and at the place of ones we get 2. So the number is 612. Okay, this is the short form or standard form of a 3-digit number. Okay, then the next one is 700 plus 40 plus 9. Here we can see at the place of hundreds we get 7. So all of you write 7. Then at the place of tens we get 4. So write 4. Then at the place of ones we get 9. So all of you write 9. So the number is 749. Okay, this is the expanded form of 749. 700 plus 40 plus 9, that is equal to 749. This is known as the short form or standard form of a 3-digit number. Okay, then the rest of them are homework for you. Okay. Next we are going to discuss before, after and between numbers. Let us play with a ball and revise the before, after and between numbers. What do you mean by before numbers? Yes, when we count backward from a given numbers, we get the numbers before. Look here. Here we can see the ball is on number 100. Okay, which number comes before 100? Yes, 99. Okay, let us try one more example. Which 3 numbers come before number 182? Yes, all of you say together. Yes, 181, 180 and 179. Okay, very good. Then now let us revise after numbers. When we count forward from a given number, we get the numbers after. Okay, here the ball is on number 338. So, which number comes after 338? Yes, 339. Okay, very good. Then let us try one more example. Which 2 numbers come after the number 554? Yes, all of you say together. After 554, the next 2 numbers are 555 and 556. Okay, then now let us revise between numbers. Numbers that come in between any 2 numbers are called between numbers. Okay, here you can see numbers 222 and 224 on the blocks. Yes, which number is in between them? Yes, in between we can see 223. Here you can see 111 and 116 on the blocks. Yes, which numbers are in between them? Yes, here we can see in between 111 and 116 we get 112, 113, 114 and 115. Yes, take page number 93. Here you can see before, after and between. Let's understand. Here we can see there are 3 children. He is Ravi, she is Pinky and he is Ram. Here we can see Ravi is standing before Pinky. Pinky is standing before Ram. Okay. Then Pinky is standing after Ravi. And Ram is standing after Pinky. Okay. Who is standing in between Ravi and Ram? Yes, Pinky is standing in between Ravi and Ram. Okay, then here let's practice. Here we can see, write the number that comes before and after. Okay, write the number that comes before or after. Here we can see one example. 385. Before 385 we get 384. Okay, all of you understand. Before 385 we get 384. ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് ഒരു 3 ഡിജിറ്റ് നമ്പർ ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് പെട്ടെന്ന് മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഇതിൻ്റെ ബിഫോർ ഏതാണ് വരുന്നത് എന്ന് മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഇതിൻ്റെ വൺസിൻ്റെ പ്ലേസിലുള്ള നമ്പർ നോക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, ബിഫോർ 5 വിച്ച് നമ്പർ? യെസ്, ബിഫോർ 5 വി ഗെറ്റ് 4. ഓക്കെ, സോ ബിഫോർ 385 വി ഗെറ്റ് 384. Okay, then the next one is, here we can see number 873. Okay, before 873 which number? Yes, here we can see at the place of ones we get 3. So before 3, yes, the number is 2. So before 873 we get 872. Okay, very good. Then here we can see number 299. Okay, at the place of ones we get 9. Okay, before 9 which number? Yes, before 9 8. So before 299 we get number 298. Okay, before 299 we get 298. Okay, then the rest of them are homework. Okay, yes, next we are going to discuss after numbers. Here we can see one example. Okay, after 123 we get 124. Okay, which number comes after 123? Yes, 124. Okay, here we can see number 548. 548. Which number comes after 548? Yes, 549. All of you write 549. Okay, then the next number is 565. Which number comes after 565? Yes, after 65 the next number is 66. So after 565
The number is 566. Okay, very good. Then the next one is number 709. 709. Okay, which number comes after 709? Yes, after 9, next number is 10. So, after 709, the next number is 710. Okay, then the rest of them are homework. Okay. Yes, the second question is write the number that comes between. Okay, write the number that comes between. Here one example is written. All of you say together which number comes in between 345 and 347. Yes, 346. Okay, very good. Then the next one is, here we can see there are two numbers, number 200 and 202. Okay, the first one is 200 and the second one is 202. Okay, which number comes in between these two numbers? Yes, after 200, the next number is 201. Okay, 201. So, in between numbers 200 and 202, we get 201. Okay, then the next two numbers are 609 and 611. Okay, all of you say which number comes in between these two numbers? Yes, after 9, next number is 10. Okay, so after 609, we get 610. Okay, 610. Then the rest of them are homework. Okay.
Dear students, today we discussed expanded and short form of numbers and numbers that comes before, after and between. So, dear students, all of you study well, do the homework and send your homework image to my personal number. See you next class. Thank you.